Hey there, struggling with LG Smart TV ThinQ TV apps not working? In this guide, I'll break down exactly how to fix LG Smart TV ThinQ TV apps so you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows without any hassle. Step 1. Restart your TV. The first and easiest step to try is a simple restart of your LG Smart TV. Begin by turning off the TV using the remote control. Unplug it from the power source and wait for about 30 seconds. Plug the TV back in and turn it on, checking if the apps are working properly. This process refreshes the system and may resolve minor glitches affecting app performance. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Apps on LG Smart TVs require a stable internet connection to function. Verify that your TV is connected to the internet by going to the Network Settings menu. If you're using Wi-Fi, ensure that the signal is strong. Consider restarting your router or connecting the TV via an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Reopen the app to see if the issue persists. Step 3. Update the software. Outdated software can often lead to app malfunctions. Navigate to the settings on your LG Smart TV. Select About this TV and then Software Update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Keeping your TV software up to date ensures optimal performance of apps and general functionality. Step 4. Clear app cache. Sometimes clearing the cache of specific apps can solve the problem. To do this, go to the Settings menu and select All Apps. Choose the problematic app and select Clear Cache. This action removes any temporary data that might be causing the app to malfunction. Reopen the app to check if it's working correctly. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If clearing the cache doesn't work, reinstalling the app might be necessary. Navigate to the LG Content Store from your TV's home screen. Find the app, select Uninstall, and wait for it to be removed completely. Once done, search for the app in the LG Content Store again and select Install. This process ensures you have the latest version of the app without any corrupted data. Step 6. Factory reset as a last resort. If none of the previous steps work, a factory reset may be needed, but use this as a last resort. Go to Settings, then General, and select Reset to Initial Settings. Be aware that this step will erase all settings and apps, returning your TV to its original state. After the reset, you'll need to set up your TV and reinstall your apps again. Now you have all the tools and steps on how to fix LG Smart TV ThinQ TV apps. From a simple restart and verifying your network connection to updating software, clearing cache, reinstalling apps, and performing a factory reset if necessary, these methods should resolve most app-related issues. Happy streaming, and remember to check for future updates that could enhance your LG Smart TV experience even more.